Hello again. This is the fifth of a series of 6 video explainers to introduce the Making It Safe workshop, which can be held in person or online. The Making It Safe workshop is a women-only workshop which I researched and designed. It brings women together to inspire strategies against sexual harassment. The full-day workshop explores 6 themes which you can find in the notes below. This video explains theme 5, allies. In this thematic exploration, the questions we ask are, what kind of allies have kept you or would keep you safe? And what's something someone did to be an ally to you or another woman? For example, a young woman said when she's out clubbing with her friends, having tall male friends in the group means that other men leave them alone. Additionally, the women in their group can be quite aggressive when they notice a man harassing one of them. She says, my woman friend will butt in, put her arm around me, and say, is everything okay? While giving the man a don't you dare look. The men usually back off. One male friend said to me as I was taking the train home at night to keep him updated on my journey home until I arrived safely. Another asked a woman who had been groped at a concert, do you want to make a report? And it could be that an ally is not a person. Your company's standard operating procedure or policy about, for example, where you should and should not meet a prospective client can make it safe for you. In this exploration, we also ask the questions, when have you been an ally to others? What happened before you could be an ally like that? And how do you let someone know you need them to be an ally? Some examples from women to the last question include, I will pass a note to the waiter, or I will approach another person and ask if I can stand close to them, or I will squeeze a friend's hand and she would do the same. By the end of this thematic exploration, you will first learn the different ways we can be allies, then what needs to happen before we can be an ally, and finally, how to ask someone to be an ally so that we can make it safe for more women more of the time. And by the end of the workshop, you will leave with more ideas and inspiration and more confidence for strategies you can adapt and adopt immediately for making places and relationships safe for yourself and others. To find out more about this women only workshop, click on the link below. And if you want to be inspired to have more and better strategies against sexual harassment, register now before the early bird prize expires.